Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm talking about how to generate a study guide from lecture notes in NotebookLM. Okay, so start by opening up your active project in the browser, the updated layout segments, as you can see, the interface into the three distinct vertical panels. And we need to look into the far left panel labeled sources. In here, you just press on add sources, and here you can just load your raw lecture assets. You can upload typed PDF documents, sync raw files straight from your Google Drive, or paste copied text summaries directly onto the interface. Then let the background server modals fully parse your documents. Once processing finishes, ensure the specific checkbox next to each lecture file row is marked active. And once your class documents are locked into the left panel, you can just skip the chat screen and move your cursor to the far right into the category named Studio right here. So this is your tool matrix. The background engine will scan across your active lecture columns concurrently to build interactive practice questions and key concept breakdowns. If you need a comprehensive long-form written outline, look at the bottom of the Studio column and click the Add Note button widget right here on the right. Use the center input line to command the model. I'll show you the prompt. You can just use this kind of prompt, and the resulting master outline will load into your chat log, where you can click Save to Note to lock it permanently into your right-hand dashboard layouts. That's it for this one, guys. Simply done, as you can see. AI is simple these days. Enjoy as always, and see you soon.